Hello, this video covers how to use the Duty Officer Log, one of the core set of boards offered to the North Central Texas region in WebEOC. The Duty Officer Log is an incident-independent board, meaning that you'll see the same information no matter what incident that you're logged into. The Duty Officer Log is used to make an everyday log of routine events or actions that emergency managers make during the year. It can also be used as a pass-along log for those jurisdictions that have more than one emergency manager that takes duty each week. For those that have one or two people in their shops, it can be used as a log of everything that you do so that you can go back and see what you've done through the past year. To open the Duty Officer Log, click on Duty Officer Log with your jurisdiction in front. Click on the name of the board, and it will open up the display. You can see that there are a couple of entries in here already. We'll cover the display in a minute, but it's best to learn by starting with a new entry. So it captures some information for you. You're able to type each one of these entries. So this is weather, police, fire, public works, emergency management, or other. So let's say that we have a water main break at City Hall. We can capture that as a public works incident, but maybe we had to do something also to help with that, an emergency management section as well. In the comments, you put in your description. So once you enter the entry, you just click Save. Again, you can add an attachment if you want. And your newest entry shows up at the top. So we have a daytime group, your position and username, the typing is here, your entry and attachment, a daytime group, and the edit button. You'll notice after you type it that the board actually totals up the different types of entries that you have. So even though we entered 2 on the same one, it adds those to the total. The neat thing about this is you can see how many things that you've responded to or entered during the year. You can also print those to PDF. You can filter by them. For example, if we just want to see the Public Works related entries, I can go to Public Works, and you'll see that it just shows those 2. The cool thing is you could print just this to PDF and give that to your Public Works folks and share with them the things that you've done throughout the year. We can go back to all. You can also search the field, so if you have a keyword that you're looking for, such as activated or so on, you can do that. Now this board, the way it works when you edit it, is it captures your information, the first information that you've entered, and doesn't allow you to change that. You can only add to it. So to add something else to this entry, you would click Edit. I can change the typing, but I can't change the top part of this entry. All I can do is add to it. So I can add an entry. You must click Update before you can save this, or it won't save the entry. If I click Update, you'll see that this entry jumps up to the top. Then you can click Save. The neat thing about the way this works is even if somebody else enters something you have another emergency manager in your shop that enters something, it captures who did that through their username, their password, and it tells you what time it was. So here's my new entry and so on. That's been how to use the Duty Officer Log in WebEOC. If you have any questions, please contact your WebEOC administrator.